What's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. We are exploring all around Big Sur for the best Instagram bangers we can find. We've never been to Big Sur and we really didn't do any research before coming here. We're just driving around, looking off the side of the road, seeing what we can get. So, I mean, check this out where I am right now. Let's get it. Oh. Nice. This is what you got to do to get to the true bangers in Big Sur and just other cool places in 2018, because all the other spots we went to today were absolutely packed with tourists. Becomes not even enjoyable anymore. So we're kind of finding our own spot here. Kind of at the highest tip that I could get to here. I got like a 360 view. Woo-hoo-hoo. Right there is where we came from. And now we're down here. We're kind of figuring out how to climb down this wall here and get over to that point right now, or right there, so I can do a drone boomerang, where it kind of starts right in front of you and then you speed ramp it up and then it comes back like a boomerang on Instagram. So I'm gonna try and get that shot right now. I'm definitely not a huge ocean guy, more of a land animal, but this is pretty sick. This is a little sketchy getting over to that spot there, but with all safety precautions in mind, you gotta do what you gotta do. We just got to our last spot. I'm trying to find Instagram bangers in Big Sur, California. We tried to go to that main spot with the big bridges and the arches, and you've probably seen a million pictures online, but it was like a total tourist trap. There were hundreds of people there. We couldn't even find parking. We just didn't want to deal with it. So we found this cool spot. It's actually right off the road there, Highway 1, and it overlooks the ocean. So we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can get some shots, but right now I'm just kind of trudging through this trail right here. I think we got a cool shot there. It's starting to kind of be golden hour. The sun's getting a little bit lower. We got to head out because we have a good drive back home, so we can't stay for that perfect golden light. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Moral of the story, if you're coming to a really crowded place, just be a little creative. Don't be afraid to kind of walk off the beaten path to find your own place. Just always make sure you're not breaking too many laws and be as safe as you can, because you can get hurt doing this stuff. As a lot of you saw, 3 of the High on Life team members just passed because they fell into a waterfall stream type thing. So things do happen. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.